No, you're a monster, right? I haven't died once. Like I haven't died once yet. Come on, respawn.
What do you mean you haven't died once?
I have died. I died once in the last game.
That is actual cap.
No, because if I did die, I'll go to my Uzi, but I didn't. That means how much times did he die in this total? Where are you right now,
Come on.
bro? I'm lagging so bad right now. I can kill you without no mouse. Remember last time?
Yes, I know.
It was funny. Just killing you without no mouse. I was like, oh my god, no way. Where are you? Your ad is here. Thank you, bro. How do you get KO? Oh, I see you.
Me too. Bro, I'm lagging from this. All right.
Got him. First blood. Let's go.
I'm gonna stop the recording.
I'm gonna send you. I'm gonna send you it right now. So don't worry. No, 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 no. ¿Cómo estás, Jaime? Damn.
Okay, bro. Okay. I'm switching weapons. I accidentally
Mm.
respawned.
No fue fuego.
Okay.
Ain't no way, bro.
I know. I'm choking right
My uncle came in. He said, "What was I playing?" And I said, "I was playing on KR or something." He let me be. He's a nice guy. You know, I love the music in the background. It's actually kind of peaceful. You know what's funny? Oh, I see him. Bro, really switch to my gun. I'm about to die right here. No way.
now.
There's no way I actually killed you. Ain't no way, boy.
That was a different gun. I'm using a
Yeah, I'm gonna name this title, "Destroying Mad Dog," at at this game. I don't know. Why are you quiet? I see you shooting in the air. I have a sniper on you. Ooh, damn! I died. Finally, right?
different. Final.
You haven't killed me once in this game. You haven't. Stop the cap. You know what'd be funny? Oh, I died again. Damn.
I was standing still. How did you die?
Wait, what are you using? Hold up. Oh wow. Mmm. Gotta use that. Damn. All right. I don't care, but oh damn,
Using a running gun.
I'm lagging. Oh damn. Bro, I suck at. Oh, let's go. I win anyways. Okay, let me close my door.
Okay, bro. Let me. Wait. I want to play something else. Let me host the game.
I can't hear you. Mad Dog. Hello.
Uh,
What happened? Let me start recording. Oh, stop recording. Oh, 4 minutes in. All right, bye.